good morning. You join me early doors on the plot, and I'm just about to harvest pickings for our Christmas lunch. Pressure's on, so if there's no food, I don't know what we're going to do. No snow this morning, unfortunately, but what we did have was quite a lot of bit of fog during the night, and it's just about burnt off now. The sun's coming up. Anyway, the first thing we're going to look at is the potatoes. You may recall a month or so ago we had the disaster with the Christmas potatoes where the frost caught the foliage and the whole lot went down. Well, also on that episode I think I emptied the one bucket out, and surprisingly enough we'd got a few potatoes in there, so I decided to keep these. So we're just about to empty a bucket or two and see what we've got. The variety of this one is International Kidney, as you may remember. You see we've still got a few in here. Well, that ain't enough to feed us, so I better go and see what's in the other bucket. Well, what turned out to be fairly poor first bucket, out of these other three others, so total of 4 buckets, this is what I've got out, and I'm sure that'll do us. Next job is to pick 2 or 3 sticks of sprouts. So these haven't bulked up as well as I thought they would, but never mind, there's still plenty there to keep us going. That bad infestation we had of whitefly during the summer has took its toll on the sprouts, and so there's a bit of damage on them. Some have started blowing already, and they've not bulked up as well as I thought they would, but with a bit of careful sorting I'm sure we can get enough for our meal. Next up is a Swede. We've only got 2 or 3 decent ones left, and in there. That'll do us. I've got to try and find a parsnip now. We've had most of the parsnips out here, and to make it worse all the foliage has died back, so it's like hunting the thimble. Makes it like there's nothing to grab hold of. All that effort, but it was worth it. The final bit of veg we need to get is some carrots. These are just the straggle ends now, what left of the Swede candle, so we'll have a ferret around and see what we got in here. These are the long and thin ones. So these tubs, lift them off the ground, really do work as, well, say no sign at all of the carrot flying them. I think that'll do it. I'll just sort them out and get back to you. So this is the final harvest of our plot for 2018, which will be going towards our Christmas lunch. That's about it from me. Wish you all happy Christmas, prosperous New Year, and before you know it, we'll be back on the plot. See you later. Bye for now.